please like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And make sure that your notification setting is set so that you get all of my notifications. Hi, this is the Weird Channel Amazement, and this is Andrew. And remember, guys, I think I told you about how I accidentally broke my iPhone. Well, today in this video, Daddy and I are going to try to restore the iPhone. And hopefully it works, because you know what?
So right now we're installing, running at 54%. So when the update's done, the iTunes update that is, will resume. Alright, so
we're going to restore and update my iPhone 7.
Yeah, it's trying to restore now, I think. Cool.
What? What, Daddy?
iTunes is downloading the software for this iPhone.
Cool.
And it will install the and will restore your iPhone when its download is complete.
Okay. Cool.
Focus on image.
It's not working, guys.
An update is required to activate your iPhone. Unable to activate. Back button. Shut down button.
I'm going to try this again.
Power off button. Slide word power off.
Come on.
Setup. English button. Select your country or region. United States button. Quick start. Run your current setup manually button. In progress. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone.
Guys, if this doesn't work, my phone is going to probably update you 13.5.1 the iOS updates tonight. Which is nice. I'll come back tomorrow morning if it works. And if I can use my iPhone still. Otherwise, I'm going to need another iPhone.
Your iPhone could not be activated because the activation server is temporarily unavailable. Try connecting your iPhone to a Mac or to a PC with iTunes to activate it, or try again in a couple of minutes. If this problem persists, contact Apple support at apple.com/support.
Well, lovely. That's okay.
Try again.
Gotta try again.
In progress. Unable to activate.
Unable to activate.
An update is required to activate your iPhone. Learn more at Shutdown button.
We have an activation error, guys. Alright, I'll come back tomorrow. Bye for now. I'll come back tomorrow. This is annoying me the heck. So, bye.
3 minutes. Viewfinder.
Please
Focus
like
unlocked.
and subscribe to my channel.
Double tap to focus.
So, hold on. Give me the phone, Daddy. I have to restore it. Open up iTunes.
Here you go.
Okay. Open up iTunes.
It's already open.
Okay. Hold up. So,
One notification. Hello. Heading.
hello. I'm going to try this restore again, guys. It's not tomorrow. It's just. I'm gonna put it in recovery mode.
Yeah.
Hold the lock and volume down buttons. Hold the side and volume down buttons on your iPhone 7 and 7 Plus to put it into recovery mode. In recovery mode. Now wait for 20 seconds, you said?
Okay.
Okay. Now we're restoring it. Hopefully.
I'm gonna restore it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So here we go.
So. Is it restoring now, Daddy?
Restore and update.
Yep. So now I can pause the video. I can go to the next clip.
It's actually
What?
preparing to restore this software on this iPhone.
Okay. Guys, I said I would wait until tomorrow, but I think we might be having some success here. And apparently it's supposed to update to iOS 13.5.1. It just powered off.
It's restoring now.
It just turned back on. You guys can see that. Phone restoring. I was up to this weird page. There's that one look again.
Still restoring.
Okay. Hopefully, if this doesn't work, the iOS update will fix the problem. But there's a SIM card back into it. No, it's the SIM card from it.
Now it's
What?
you're the fan.
Yeah.
Forget it out.
What did you think it was? What? My finger on my left hand and a little bit on my right hand hurt from taking my phone out of the case. because the case is really hard. Well, the first layer is easy. You just pop it off, put the camera and putting your finger on the edge. And then the second layer is really hard because you have to pry your phone up from there. We're still on the Apple logo. Is it still restoring, Daddy?
Yes, it is, honey.
Okay.
iTunes is restoring the software on this iPhone.
Didn't say anything about the SIM yet. Hopefully it doesn't, because there's one
It's
in
not
there.
gonna, it would have. Before it was just downloading. That's what we were waiting for earlier.
And then it needed to restore the software. Looks like it's been on the Apple logo the longest time I've ever saw on an iPhone.
I wish I could get like a time. Nothing like that.
What?
It's just doing its thing.
Guys, I don't want to really miss a big moment, so that's just why I've been on so long. I don't want to hold you guys up too much longer in this video, so I'm going to pause and we'll come back when we're finished. What does it say? So guys, the phone just turned off again.
Leave it alone.
I am. But anyways, guys, the phone turned off again. And what does it say, Daddy? Because it just turned on again. There's another Apple logo back.
So your phone just restarted, it looks like. And can I see it for a second?
That's the iPhone. That's the iPhone 5S in that hand. That's the
There we
iPhone 7
go.
in that.
Let's see if it gets to turn on voiceover somehow.
Hold on, let me see the screen. Let me see the
It's
screen.
brand new.
Let me see the screen. Daddy?
Here you go.
I don't know if there's an Apple logo or not.
There's not.
Yes, there is. There's an Apple logo on there. There's still an Apple logo on there. Apple logo still holding up here.
It said it couldn't. The information couldn't be obtained.
What does it mean by that?
Okay. So it didn't seem to work. turn on
is.
voiceover?
There's still an Apple logo there. was doing
No,
that.
it's not. I'm in, bud.
What do you mean?
See?
Yeah.
接替中文 English.
English.
Select your country or region.
Oh my gosh,
United
it's slow.
States. Button. Heading. Bring your current iPhone or iPad.
Hold up,
with this
guys.
iPhone to
Gotta
sign in and set up.
gotta set this up. So we're at it again, trying to do this phone thing. I don't think the update came to this phone. And I have the. Hold up. I'm gonna have to power this phone on. Can I have the cable, Daddy?
There you go.
Thank you. I think it might be the cable that's kind of stopping this because it's not an original official Apple cable. It's not an official Apple cable. But,
English. Button. Hello. Heading.
I'm going to put it into recovery mode. Daddy, I'm putting it in recovery mode.
Okay.
It's not in recovery mode yet. Recovery mode. Did you find it yet?
It's got it.
What?
Stop taking it out. Whatever you just did, I think you just knocked it back out.
The phone just
it had the
restarted.
restore button for a second there.
The phone just restarted, that's how.
Leave it plugged in.
Hello.
Now I have to put it back in recovery mode.
Yep. Try again.
I am. All these buttons are really long.
Alright, leave it alone.
Okay, let go of the buttons.
Restore. Are you sure you want to restore? Yep. Restore now button. And extracting software.
What does that mean by extracting software?
Opening.
Oh. Just turned off.
Stop. There we go. Don't touch anything, okay?
Apple logo on dim screen.
It's gonna try. iTunes is restoring the software on this iPhone.
Mm-hmm.
So you might as well pause it for now.
Mm-hmm.
So you can,
We went to a black screen and now we're at the Apple logo thing again. Oh gosh.
your
There we go.
iPhone is restarting with the new software, but don't mess with it because the computer's gonna. Okay, now it's active again. So
What do you mean it's active again?
it's doing something with the iPhone right now, and I'm not sure what.
Did the SIM problem come up yet?
Not yet.
Guys, it didn't work. Unfortunately, I am having a problem now.
How do you do it?
Hey guys, well, this is the ending of this video. Please like all of my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you have your notification setting set so that you get all of my notifications. You could not get my iPhone restored. I will come back with an update if for some reason we can get it restored, but you know what? I don't think we're gonna be able to do anything with it. I just am thinking we will get a new phone for me. But yeah, that was my mistake. I don't know. I don't know. I think maybe I should pay the price for it. We're not listening to them. We're not listening to the or anything like that. But yeah, guys, I don't know how we're gonna get this restored. If we could get it restored, it's not working up. It's not working out. Bye, guys.